In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your liftgate support on your Buick Encore. It's located in the rear. First thing we're going to do is use a flathead screwdriver and pull this out. Yours might be broken like ours. You can just pry it out. Our liftgate rod here is seized, so I'm going to use some Vise-Grips and pull it off. Now we're going to go to this lower one and pry out this metal clip here. Hopefully yours is not this rusted. After some persuasion, we're winning the battle. And I'm going to just lift this up enough to get this off. Hopefully yours is not that tough. Make sure you clean up your ball studs for installing. I'm going to put this side on first, and then we'll put this side on. Make sure it's locked down there good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.